pull to anchors. It's probably the best anchor in the world. If you have something on board that you don't save cost on it, it's the anchor. Made out of stainless steel, and for my opinion, it's the best anchor evaluated in the market today. We are in Access. It's a new brand. It's a brand from the Beneteau Group. They design it over the lagoon hull, and they try to make a bit more sporty boat with double wheel, less volume, and it's supposed to be, as Jeannot and Beneteau are competing each other, that Access and Lagoon will compete the same. It's a very interesting project from Beneteau Group.